Welcome back, traders. On this video we're going to be talking about volatility 75 index and how to trade this market using a very powerful strategy. Okay, now this volatility 75 market is not like the boom and crash market we trade. Okay, but I'm going to share with you guys how to follow trend lines properly using the stochastic oscillator to trade this market perfectly. Okay, I'm going to share with you the parameters for this strategy. Okay, now we're going to put on only the stochastic oscillator indicator. Right now we're going to look for the stochastic oscillator. We're going to put the period on 5, then percentage, the period is going to be on 3, the slowing is going to be on 3 as well. While we're going to put a field, the price feed is going to be on low/high. Then the method is going to be on exponential, right? Then the levels is going to be on 22, 80, and 64. Okay, you are adding them to the description. Okay, you want to put 22 first, followed by 80, then followed by 64, just as you can see on my screen, right? Then the style is going to be on 4 pixels. You put this dash line here, this one with space, then you click on done. The main, you put it on 4 pixels. Okay, you put it on 4 pixels right here. The signal is going to be on 3. Okay, then you reduce the main, put it on 3 as well. Okay, let them be on the same amount of pixels. Then the color is going to be on black, the signal is going to be on red. You click on done. All right, now this is the indicator we're using for this VIX 75. Okay, if you take a look at this, it says that constant volatility of 75% with a tick every 2 seconds. So we're using this stochastic oscillator to follow the trend of the market. We can see that this volatility 75 index right here, the market begin to buy at this point, just as you can see, and it continued just like that. Okay, and if we check the 1 hour time frame right here, we can see that this market is buying here. Take a look at that. Now we're going back to the 1 minute time frame, and this is how we're going to trade this market. Okay, now there's no need for any zoom level. All you need to do is follow the trend line of the stochastic oscillator, which I'm going to share with you now. So at this point here, what we're doing here is scalping the market. Okay, we're scalping this market following the trend line, taking advantages of price movement only. Okay, for a sell at this point. Okay, this strategy is only for a sell at this point right now. Okay, now what you do here is that at this point right now, when this red line of the stochastic oscillator crosses above the black line of the stochastic oscillator, this is a black and this is red, right? When this red line crosses above, you place a sell, and it's going to give you a sell, right? Take a look. This is a sell, this red one here. Now when you see that there's a crossing again, you place another sell, you take that profit. At this point again, you take a sell. Take a look at this, you place a sell at this point. If you trace it up, you can see how far this market sold. This is a very long sell opportunity. Okay, this is a very big profit. Take a look at this point. Okay, you can see that this is a very big amount of sell. How many candles you can count from this? This is a big profit, guys. At this point again, when there is a crossing above the black line, you place another sell. When there is a crossing, okay, this is the crossing above, it has to be above the black line, needs to be below. Take a look at it, you place a sell immediately, a sell. Now we're seeing here, perfect, guys. This market now is selling because price is at the overbought level, and we're seeing that when the hair has gotten above the black line, we're going to place a sell. Okay, here you see it crosses above, then you place a sell. Take a look at it. If you from here at this point right now, you can see the market sold here up to this point. Although the market bought a little bit, you can see it's still sell. Okay, it's still sell. So we're taking advantage of small price movement from the market. So you can see that this strategy can make you make profit from this market. Okay, simple analysis, guys. Just following the trend line using this stochastic oscillator. This stochastic oscillator is another powerful indicator for you to trade this volatility 75 index perfectly. Okay, so when this red line crosses, it need to be about the level of 80 here, just as we saw here at this point. Need to be the level of 80, so you place a sell. Okay, now when you want to place a buy for the volatility 75 index, when price has gotten to the level of 22 at this point, you can see when price goes to the level of 22 and you saw a crossing. Okay, when there is a crossing here above, okay, the crossing needs to be above at the right side, then you place a buy. At this point, you place a buy below the level of 22, you place a buy, right? At this point again, there's a crossing here, you place a buy. If you trace it upwards, you can see here that this market bought. Okay, take advantage of that small price movement from the market and you scalp the market and you take your profit. Okay, you know that one thing about this type of trading is patient. Okay, all you need to do is wait for the perfect opportunity for you to place your entry. You wait for a powerful opportunity, then you place either a buy or a sell entry point. Okay, you can also use trend line pattern to trade this volatility 75 index and also make profit from this market. This strategy that I'll share with you guys is a very powerful strategy, and you need to always stick to your strategy. Let's say your goal is to make about $100 or $50 from that trade. Following that same strategy from time to time, you'll be able to meet that goal from that trade. Okay, just as you can see right here. Okay, just to show you guys that this strategy works clearly, you're going to be taking it at the level of 80 and level of 22. Okay, you can also see that even at the level of 67 at this point, when there's a crossing above, it's sold. When there's a crossing above, it's sold exactly. And even below the level of 22, it also works as well, right? Take a look at it. At this point, when there's a crossing above, okay, when the Stochastic Oscillator is, the edge line is facing downwards, just like it did here, and it crosses here above it, the black line, it gave a signal for a buy, and that was the market bought at that point. Here, the market sold just like that. You're making good amount of profit from this trade. Okay, so guys, if you found value in this video that I've just shared with you, do well to like and subscribe to the channel, the Daily Forex, for more awesome trading tips and strategies.